Welcome back my dear friends, this is Engineer Arif.
I have designed this new series of SolidWorks video tutorial for my beginners friends.
Let's start learning. This is the part, which we gonna design today using SolidWorks 2018. Oh yes, just do me a little support, subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notification of new releases. This is the part, which we are trying to build.
This is one of the simplest designs. But I want to assure you that, this is an ideal part for beginners. This is the part which we gonna design today for you friends. This is the exercise number 17. This is also a very simple part like earlier tutorials. We will use only one sketch and one extrude command for completing this part. We will use SolidWorks 2018 for designing this part. This exercise video tutorial will help newbies for their regular practice. Hope you will enjoy this CAD tutorial video. If so, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and press the bell icon.
Let's start.
Go to Apply Scene and select Plain White. Go to Material, right-click, and select Edit Material. Then choose your desired material. Left-click on Front Plane and choose Sketch. Width is 22.5 mm.
Now take the line command. Now select Smart Dimension.
Width is 22.5 mm. Repeat as earlier. Height is 90 mm.
Press OK. Now take Circle command.
Select these circles and make them equal.
Press OK. Now select Smart Dimension.
Radius is inner circle radius plus, outer circle minus inner circle, divided by 2. diameter is equal to radius multiplied by 2. Select these circles. Make them tangent. Select these entities. Make coincident. Hold on Control button and select the line and circle and choose tangent relationship. Select these entities. Make coincident.
Now take Trim Entities command. Now trim these lines. Press OK.
Hold on Control button and select the line and circle and choose tangent relationship.
The sketch is fully defined.
Now take Offset Entities command. Width is 5 mm. Make sure bidirectional is checked. Choose cap end and select arc.
Press OK.
Width is 15 mm.
Now go to the Features menu and choose Extrude command.
Reverse direction. Width is 15 mm.
Press OK. Congratulations.
Press space button of your keyboard and select isometric view.
This is the part which we are trying to build.
Let's do motion study. Make this speed 3x. Select Animation Wizard. Select Rotate Mode and click Next. Select Y-axis of rotation and click Next. Change this duration to 30 seconds and click Finish. Now select Play from Start. If you enjoy the SolidWorks video tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press bell icon for staying connected with us. Now select Play from Start. If you enjoy the SolidWorks video tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press bell icon for staying connected with us.